You know that feeling when payday hits? The world feels lighter, possibilities endless. You tell yourself, this month I'll save. I'll finally get ahead. But 2 weeks later, your balance looks like it's been robbed in the night, and you're left staring at your phone, wondering, where did it all go? You're not alone. Most people don't actually know where their money goes. They think they need more income, when what they really need is a plan. Because money isn't about how much you make, it's about how well you manage what you already have. Today, I'll show you 5 simple steps that can turn chaos into clarity and help you build a relationship with money that finally makes sense. Step 1. Track where your money actually goes. Imagine trying to lose weight without ever stepping on a scale. That's how most people manage money, blindfolded. You don't need a complicated spreadsheet or a finance app. Just one sentence every night before you sleep. Today, I spent blank on blank. Do this for just 7 days. You will discover things you didn't even know were draining you, the invisible leaks. And once you see the leaks, you can finally fix them. Step 2 is to use the 50-30-20 rule. You've probably heard it before: 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. But here's the fix no one tells you. If you can't save 20% right now, don't. Start with 5% or even 2%. The habit matters far more than the amount. Money doesn't grow from discipline, it grows from consistency. This leads to step 3. Pay yourself first. Most people pay bills, shop, and then hope there's something left over to save. But the truth is, there never will be unless you flip the order. The moment you get paid, move a small percentage into a savings account automatically. It's not about the number, it's about making your future a priority. Saving money isn't selfish, it's your way of saying, I value my future as much as my present. Step 4. If you only learn one financial concept in your entire life, let it be this one: compound interest. Compound interest turns time into money. At a steady 7% annual return, saving just $100 a month can grow to around $50,000 in 20 years. In 30 years, it's over $120,000. Not because you earned more, but because you started early and stayed consistent. Wealth doesn't reward the smartest person, it rewards the earliest. And finally, step 5. Build a 3-layer money system. It's simple. First, cash for now, for your daily expenses. Second, cash for later, your emergency fund and other savings. And third, cash that grows, your investments. When people have only one bucket for all their money, they panic. When they have 3, they can plan. And here's the truth nobody tells you about all of this. Managing money isn't about getting rich. It's about getting control. It's about not being afraid to open your banking app. It's about knowing that even if life hits you hard, you won't break. So, if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start, that time is today. Not when you earn more, not when you're finally ready, because money doesn't change when your income changes. It changes when your habits change. Start with one step, then another, and one day you'll look back and realize something incredible. You didn't just learn how to manage money, you learned how to manage your life.